Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Standard Deviation Worksheet. So this slide here explains what's going on with this worksheet. I'll leave it on for a very short while and you can pause it for as long as you like. And when I move on to the next slide, we'll see the first three verses of the rap song about standard deviation. Okay, here are the first three verses of the rap song about standard deviation. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next slide containing the next three verses. Okay, here are the next three verses of the rap song. Okay, here is the worksheet on standard deviation, and as you'll notice that on the next slide I contain the answers, so they're there for you so you can see how you went. I'll leave it on for a short while, pause it for as long as you like. Okay, let's move on to the next slide, which contains the answers. I'll leave that on for a short while. Obviously, pause this for as long as you like so you can check how you went. And now I'll move on to the second last slide. So in presenting the rap song about standard deviation, I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe button.